Hey there, today I'm diving into the vibrant history of Diwali, one of the most celebrated festivals in India. Diwali, also known as Deepavali, translates to row of lamps and is a festival of lights, symbolizing the victory of light over darkness. Historically, Diwali has roots in several ancient stories. The most famous one is from the epic Ramayana, where Lord Rama returns to Ayodhya after a 14-year exile and defeating the demon king Ravana. The joyous people of Ayodhya lit rows of oil lamps to celebrate his return, marking the origin of Diwali. Another significant story is from Hindu mythology, which celebrates the return of the Pandavas in the Mahabharata after their exile. The festival is also linked to the goddess Lakshmi, the deity of wealth and prosperity who is believed to have been born on this day. Diwali is not just about lights and sweets, it's a time for families to come together, exchange gifts and make memories. The festival spans over 5 days, starting with Dhanteras, followed by Naraka Chaturdashi, the main day of Diwali, Govardhan Puja, and finally Bhai Dooj. Each day has its own significance and rituals. For instance, Dhanteras is considered an auspicious day to buy gold, while Bhai Dooj celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters. In modern times, Diwali has transcended beyond India's borders, becoming a global celebration. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the serene temples of Varanasi, Diwali brings a sense of unity and joy. And that's a wrap on the rich history of Diwali. Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hasta la vista, namaste.